G'day, Matt Diesel, McGrath Estate Agents. Well, welcome to 55 acres of peace, serenity, and without doubt, the best views I have ever seen on the Sunshine Coast. To the north, we've got Coolum, we've got Noosa, we've got the Noosa hinterland, the whole of the Sunshine Coast. To the south, the Glasshouse Mountains are beautifully showcased, Brisbane, and even the Gold Coast. I didn't even know that was possible to see the Gold Coast from here on the Sunshine Coast. Let me show you around the rest of the property. This low maintenance home is only 5 years old, featuring 3-metre ceilings throughout, beautiful timber flooring and tiles throughout. The home itself has been situated to soak in and showcase the amazing 360-degree views from every room. The 20-metre infinity edge lap pool features and frames the coastal views from inside. So there we have it. If you can find a bigger view property on the coast, I'd love to know about it. Love to show you around in person, and until next time, we'll see you soon.